Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. September the 3rd, 2009, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. This time, doing a little later than normal. What a day. What a non-eventful day, huh? Big story is gold, people. Gold to the moon. Dollar index did not crack. I think that's a great sign for the dollar to rally. I mean, the fact that gold exploded the way it did. And let's take a look at gold. I'll show you. Gold exploded the way it did like this. I mean, this is just a huge move. 960 to 1,000 almost today. And dollar index couldn't melt down. That's telling you something. The dollar's not going down, in my opinion. Unless gold goes to 1,200, it'll take it. But I got to tell you, it looks to me, again, like, gold making this move. It's a fake-out move. And we'll know in the next couple of days. We will certainly know in the next couple of days. But very surprising. And, again, this dollar index really is nowhere. We must breach through this whole 77.80 level. We have not taken that out in the dollar index. And until we breach it, this whole level here, we're not taking it out. Look at this. 5 days of this crap. I can't take it. And, again, obviously the numbers today, continuing claims, just terrible. I don't see how these idiots, these economists, whatever you want to call them, they suck. I don't know where this jobs is getting better, where are the green shoots. Jobs, jobs, jobs. Obama, are you listening? Obviously not. Now, maybe he is listening. Maybe the government's going to produce like 400,000 jobs. Can you imagine? Maybe the government's going to create all the jobs. Estimates are only for 230. So maybe, you never know. You never know. But this gold move, the fact that oil's not following through, other metals aren't following through, this is all gold. Oil did terrible today. Oil's going to 66, and if it breaks, it's going down big, maybe down to 60 again. Can't punch through this whole 75 level. It's going to be big. 75 is huge. And, the S&Ps, I think the reason, part of the reason why the S&Ps rallied, Ford got upgraded a little bit late in the day, but, usually non-farm payroll, we don't see a stock market that collapses even on a bad number. So, maybe we're off to the races again. I think no matter whatever direction the market does, so if the market gaps up, we're going down. If the market gaps down, we're going up. I think you play the counter trend. You play the counter. The counter, baby. I think my radio broadcast got all screwed up. So no radio. Again, if you have any questions about going premium, email me, info@globalfxradio.com. And again, remember, Twitter. You got to tweet. So feel free to give me an email if you want. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. So let's take a look. Euro dollar. I think we're going to be range bound. Yeah, we reversed nice. Listen, the game plan last night was perfect. I couldn't have called, the coach could not have called a better game plan for last night. Buy it, sell it. Oh, baby. Yes, it's a reversal. Yes, you should be bearish, but I think we probably pop. I'm looking to sell this pop. I think by the end of the day, the euro's going to be right here. Unless Trigier says something tonight. But I would imagine the euro's going to be right here by the time 8 o'clock comes around. My best guess is, though, the futures will be down. I would imagine the carry trade could easily be down. I think dollar yen, while it does look good, I think dollar yen probably doesn't breach 92, but I can see dollar yen down, euro reverse. I'm looking for a carry trade to go up and then down. That's the way I would play it tonight. Sterling hit the 10, 20, and 30 exponential. Reversing a little bit. Certainly broke through a nice channel line to the downside. It was a sharp one, but certainly broke through this whole channel line. So Sterling certainly looks bullish. I think we buy it and we sell the strength. I'm looking to be flat going into non-farm payroll, people. I think Obama's going to cook the books, and it's going to be probably a better number, but I think there's a good chance he's a nerd and a goody two-shoes, and he doesn't do anything. He lets the chips fall where they may. Maybe if he messes with them now, he's going to pay for it later. So we'd rather not mess with him now. Let him be bad. Let him be the comeback kid. I don't know. But I don't know. The only way this is a good number is if they cook the books, or government just creates a ridiculous amount of jobs. Other than that, with continuing claims being terrible, jobless claims being terrible, I don't see how it's going to be a good number. I've got a good song to play for you folks, too. A really good song. Take a look at Euro Sterling. Euro Sterling, to me, rolled over nicely. That was one of our best trades, huh? One of our best trades was Euro Sterling. And certainly came in nicely. Love it. To the downside, baby. Euro Yen. Should I play you this song? It's going to be a little... It's going to be a little bit on the, it's an Obama song. Hopefully you like it. Wait. Oh, not yet. Maybe you've heard it before. I'm going to play it. But Euro Yen, to me, nice little double bottom. Could have a nice little rally. I'm looking at a channel line here at about, looks like 133. Actually, it's a little higher on the daily. Ooh, 134. But certainly to me, 133 looks like a spot that would be worth looking into. Nice little double bottom here. We take out 131, and it is gone. Goodbye. Euro Yen is toast. Sterling Yen, we saw that hammer. We saw that little doji, bullish engulfing. Sterling Yen looks like it wants to have another pop. I say 52.50. That's the 10 exponential. Right there, baby. But I just don't see how this number, I think at the end of the day, the stock market's probably going to be up. Dollar yen, if this number's good, dollar yen's the one. Even Aussie yen made a nice comeback. I think we can sell the strength tonight. I think if there's strength tonight in Asia and Europe, where if the futures are up, we sell off going into non-farm payroll. And if the carry trade's up, I cannot imagine carry trade being up big going into, maybe after, but going into non-farm payroll, I'd be shocked. I'd be shocked. You never know, but I would be shocked. And again, 78.50. Look at that on Aussie yen. That's a good spot there. Luna yen. And again, people remember, there's no more summer special. Stop asking. I cannot believe it. All I did was berate and barrage you people with telling you I'm taking it away. And some of you, and it's not just people that are new. Some of you old-timers actually asking me for the summer special. After a month, I extended it. I mean, you're sick. Luna yen, little double bottom. Take out 83, it's going lower. These things could be ready for some big bounce. Bond yields are the key. Bond yields came back a little bit today. If bond yields explode, I think the carry trade in the stock market, we might have a big move. You never know. All right, here's the Obama song. Just for you, baby.
Obama got elected, now there is no end to Democrats who want to tax and spend. Tax and spend us into bankruptcy.
I love this song.
With a tax cheat running our treasury. You spend $2 trillion. What do you get?
This looks pretty good.
No recovery, but deeper in debt. St. Peter better call me for
I'll
it's
tell
too
you.
late. I
64.
owe my soul to the welfare state.
Such a great song.
Obama is a leftist, this he can't deny. Governed from the center was a great big lie. Karl Marx's manifesto is his playbook. And you and me soon will be on the hook. You're spending $2 trillion in unsecured cash. Soon the dollar will be pure trash. Our bondholders we have to appease. We owe our soul to the red Chinese.
Such a great song, isn't it? I had to play it for you. Dollar index right here. Big resistance right there.
Obama and his people are
wedging
making a mess. Bernanke's fired up the printing press.
I think I'm going to make the end of it, people. I'll play it again.
No wonder America is getting peeved. You spend $2 trillion. They ain't done yet. Obama and Pelosi piling up the debt.
I love it. Later.